Hi friends! Come along with us on a little tour of Grand Bend, Ontario. Grand Bend is a 2.5-hour drive west of Toronto, right on the shores of Lake Huron. We took our brand new van on a 2-day trip to try out our new bed, our new fans, and our new solar panels. We stopped at this pretty scenic lookout where Alex flew his drone. Our main destination on this weekend was the Grand Bend Motorplex, where a friend of ours was participating in a race. We were able to camp right at the site of the racetrack. We took our own bikes out and took a little tour of the pits, as they call them. It was quite interesting seeing all the different racing bikes.
Hello everybody, here we are with James Pro, a pro bike racer.
That's fine.
About your bike, James?
Well, I'm running the 2010 Kawasaki ZX6R. I've been running it for a few years.
And where can we find you online?
You can find me at squidskins.com.
What about this bike over here?
This is the Kawasaki ZX 2007 ZX6R. And I have won every race except one on it. So it's a really good race bike.
Kawasaki. Can I sit on it?
Sure. There. Now you're ready to go racing.
There we go.
And here's what happens before and during a race.
I forgot. Starting early, very good, very good. Bye.
After all the day's races, the track is free for folks to explore, so we got on our bikes and got a feel for the racing route at a little bit of a slower pace.
This is go out yourself all the way. Left. hurry up.
I got it, I got it.
Get it?
The next day, we went into town and toured this lovely little beach town on our bikes.